When Gabriel Gatte comes onto the show, he always makes the best desserts. Simple, so I love them, but they are really, really tasty, just like this one.
This one, what we are going to do today, is really special because it's very easy to do. It's based on chocolate and chestnut cream. We will talk to you a bit more about that.
Fantastic.
So the dish, you break 100 grams of chocolate into small pieces.
I'll get onto that.
And then separately, in a saucepan, you heat together a little bit of milk and some cream. And we bring that to the bowl. And when it is hot, we'll mix it with the chocolate.
Oh, fantastic. So these are going to be like little chocolate mousses.
Yes. So what the principle of the dessert is, my idea is that in France, sometimes when you go out or at home, you don't want a full dessert, you just want a small quantity to go with your coffee. And this is just perfect because it is satisfying and so delicious.
And I love eating that because when I'm eating the French way, I usually do have cheese on top of it. And I'm quite full after the cheese. So for the dessert, I just want a little dessert with my coffee.
And chocolate and coffee.
Yes, chocolate and coffee and...
Oh, you were chopping it, sorry.
That's okay, if you're happy with that. I'll just...
I think the milk will melt it.
However you like, Gabrielle. So let's talk about this wonderful ingredient here.
Chestnut in France and in Europe is a very, very important ingredient. People used to make flour for their bread. They transform it into a dessert. They confit it, and they make, you could call that a jam. So this crème de marron, it is a chestnut jam, and it is so good with cream and with chocolate.
Oh, it is the best, isn't it? And Gabrielle, my little boy actually likes this with some yogurt because it is just like a jam. Mix that with just some natural yogurt. Delicious.
Good on you, Louis. Bravo. Yes,
Such a French baby.
He knows what's good. Now, the milk and the cream is hot.
Yes.
So I'm pouring that on the chocolate. Sometimes, you know, one of the good techniques when you do that is to leave it, to give it a good shake. So the milk and the cream goes around. And then a hand whisk.
Yes.
A hand whisk. You can do it with a spoon, but a whisk is really good. And slowly it melts. And you will see that we are going to pour it in those little glasses that we have got here. And when we're going to put it in the fridge, and when it is cold, it has slightly set, not as hard chocolate, not even as a ganache, but a bit softer. So it is absolute heaven on a spoon.
And you can see there's only 3 ingredients in the chocolate component of this recipe. Well, we're going to pour these in our cute little glasses and then they go into the fridge to chill completely.
So you just put like 2 or 3 centimeters. Remember, it is chocolate, it is pure, it is full of flavor, and that you can do 6, you can do 8 if you want a bit less, but 6 is just perfect for that quantity.
Very nice.
I have whipped some crème fraîche. Now, if you don't have crème fraîche, just use rich cream.
Yep. Sour cream could work too,
Sour cream, exactly.
Yeah.
With that, it is just perfect. So just not too much.
Okay.
And then I am going to add the crème de marron. That's good. It's not too hard.
Yep. If you wanted to find this,
Yes.
have a look at your delis. A lot of delis do stock French ingredients like this, don't they? Yeah.
And European supermarkets.
Yes.
Because it's big in Europe.
And you can also find chestnut cream online. It's readily available.
Absolument. So we are going to put this special concoction. Do you want to hold the piping back?
My pleasure.
Like that. So I have mixed the two together, but not too much. I like it when it is not too much mixed together.
I like that little marbled effect there.
Yeah, and it is, you can taste la crème de marron or chestnut jam. It is like a jam. Now, we are going to put on those chocolate cream, we are going to put three raspberries on top of it, like that. Gosh, they are lovely, those.
No, they're so plump.
So good.
Two will only fit.
No, I'll put three.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
These raspberries are so sweet, aren't they?
Yeah.
Nice.
2 or 3.
Yeah.
And then I have got a round nozzle, and I'm just going to push like that. And so it's really lovely.
See, I told you, Gabriel, when he makes his desserts, they look magnificent, they look time-consuming, but they're not. They are just simple, just wow factor right there.
And that is enough. And the thing is that at this stage you can put it back in the fridge and just before serving. A dusting of cocoa, because cocoa is bitter, that will give a lovely little touch to the chestnut cream. And voila, verrine. Verrine, it's called verrine in French because it's in a glass.
Let's have a try.
Merci.
Which one shall we share? Maybe this one?
Oui.
Okay. So definitely want to try that chestnut cream with the chocolate underneath.
Yeah, you need to dip in.
Silky smooth, and it's rich, and it's just everything you want in a very simple dessert.
It is absolutely first
Lovely.
class.
It is first class,
Yeah.
and because it is quite decadent, a little glass just like this, a verrine,
It's
is
enough.
Yep, it's enough. That with a little short black, but no cappuccino with it.
Oh no,
Absolutely
no.
not. Very nice. Merci, Gabriel.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.